Hello guys, today we're actually unboxing an iPhone 4S I bought from the internet. Yeah, that last video which I unboxed an iPhone 4S, that was fake actually. But this is in a premium box and it's actually real. So let's unbox it. And by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm so excited. Ooh. Here's some earbuds. iPhone 4S. And a 5-star. Get the box out of it. Okay, so let's go to the main product. So, it's a second-hand, so it's used before. I bought this for like $77, so I hope this is legit. I'm gonna peel the front. No. I'm gonna peel on the front. So satisfying. Always indeed. Can it open? Yes, it does. Okay, they finally shipped with a charging cable. But I have one at home, so I don't need this. There's a charging brick, which I have at home. And that's the main products. Just wait this to load. Okay. It's still loading. It says it's running iOS 9.3.5. I mean, let's see the earbuds. Oh, it turned on. Focus. Okay, let's try the earbuds. Let me see, can I hear them? What is it, guys? I'm sitting up. Yes, is there? Okay. So let's see the video output. I mean, the audio output. It's here. Is there like a sound? Yes, there is. Okay. So I know these earbuds aren't broken. Oddly surprising. Just disconnect. Just put back in the cover. I'm gonna put up a snap. Okay, there's no snap for no reason. That was sad. Okay, here's the snap. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this iPhone. What? It says it was iCloud locked. So let's see, is it actually iCloud locked? Going to detective. You guys can't see that. Okay, next. I think it's like ID. Yeah, Activision login. You guys see that? activation lock. Wait, what does it say? This iPhone is linked to the Apple ID. Enter the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this iPhone. gmail.com. So I might fix this actually. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.